Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be doing a quick haul from NailSupplyGlamour and Amazon. The Amazon order actually goes hand in hand with the NailSupplyGlamour order, and you'll see why at the end. So the first thing I got was the NailSupplyGlamour monomer. I've actually heard really good things about it, and I had just run out of my Young Nails monomer. So I decided to get that one and see how it works. And then I got their diamond gel top coat. And I used the IBD top coat, which I really like, but it's like super thick. And this one's not like too thick or thin, so I like that. It's like the perfect consistency. Then I got their foil gel to try out because I've also heard really good things. And I'm currently using like that little white air dry glue that comes with foils when you buy them on like Amazon or AliExpress or whatever. And I'll be sure to leave the prices and stuff and link everything down below. And the cure time for both of these is 1 to 2 minutes, so I guess it depends. And then I decided to get some of their new colored powders. These are supposed to not marble because I know their older colored acrylics they have are like tend to marble. So this is supposed to be a new formula and stuff. So the first color I got was cobalt blue, and there you can see me swatch it for you guys. Next I got this green. It's called Seafoam, or green foam, my bad. And these acrylics come in like little collections. They have the green collection, the nude collection, the orange collection, the blue collection, so on. So they're all separated by like color, I guess, which I really like because the lid matches their collection, and I don't know, I think it's really cute. I really like that green, by the way. It's super nice. And then from the orange collection, I got cream orange, and I also really like this color. It's like a super like pastel cantaloupe color. Oh my gosh, it's super cute. And when I was swatching them, there was no marbling to any of them. And they also all came sealed, but I only showed the blue one being sealed because I had already opened the other ones because I was super excited. So there's what the colors look like. And after I filmed this video, I looked at my invoice and noticed that I was missing this powder. So then I contacted them and they shipped it out right away. So I really like that. That had never happened to me. Out of all the orders I placed on NailSupplyGlamour, they have never forgotten anything. So I was kind of shocked. But I really like how they handled it and shipped it out right away after I emailed them. And also, this Amazon order I placed the day I got the NailSupplyGlamour order, and you're gonna see why in a minute. So I try to use the foil gel. So I got this new lamp. It's an 80-watt lamp, and I had to get this lamp because the day I filmed the NailSupplyGlamour part, I tried out the foil gel with my normal lamp, and I could not get it to cure at all. It kept coming out like wet, like some parts would cure, some wouldn't. I'd do it for the exact time, I'd do it for more, I'd do it for less, because I know it depends. And this is the lamp I used before. I think it's a 36 watt. Their top coat cured in my lamp, but their foil gel wouldn't. So I was like, you know what, maybe it's the lamp, and I want a new one anyway, so I went ahead and bought a new, stronger one. And the gel cured perfectly fine. So I guess if you have a lower wattage foil gel, a lower wattage light, I don't know if the foil gel would work for you. I would think you'd have to have like a 48 watt or higher, but that could have just been my lamp. But I don't know, top coat cured but the foil gel didn't. So yeah, I was really confused. So that's why I ordered the new lamp. So the foil gel works, it was just my lamp, I guess. And then while I got the lamp, I decided to get some sticky tack to use on my little press-on nail hole. The Beetles rhinestone pickers, and these were super cheap. They're like $5, $6, $7, and then they had a 30% off coupon, so I paid like $4 for 2, which is a really good deal. That was everything. So that was everything for my haul, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and tell me what you want to see. Bye.